Hello friends, I am here in this video to go over how to do this math page. I'm also watching the election in the background, and Tate's also asleep, so I'm going to talk a little quieter, so I hope you can hear me. All right, so go ahead and take a minute and grab this blue worksheet that I put in your mailbox on Monday or Tuesday. It's called Which Operation. And I know it says page 1 of 3. I only sent home 2 pages for you. All right, let's get started. Josie was planning a party. She drew a sketch of how she wanted to set up the chairs and tables. Which equation best represents the number of chairs she sketched? So she's doing a party and she drew something to represent that. Which equation represents the number of chairs? Okay. So, there's a key here. So I need to know how to read this. There's a key. So a line like this means 1 chair, and a square means 1 table. Which equation best represents the number of chairs? So we're thinking of chairs, not tables, okay? So which one is it? 4 plus 6 equals 10. I don't think so. That doesn't make sense to me. Let's see this one. 6. Well, there are 6 tables, and each table has 4 chairs, equals 24. Okay, that could be it. 42 minus 4 equals 20. I don't even know where this is from, but 42 minus 4 is not 20, so it's not that. 6 times 6 equals 36. Okay, let's see. There are 6 tables. Does each table have 6 chairs? Which one best represents that? Circle 1. Number 2, there are 24 kids at Josie's party, including herself. And each of them ate 3 pieces of pizza. Which expression shows how many pieces of pizza they ate in all? So there's 24 kids and they each ate 3. Usually when I see the word each, a lot of times it tells me that it's multiplication because each person gets 3. So in a way, it's kind of like 24 groups of 3. So which one looks like there's 24 groups of 3? Number 3, at the end of the party, the kids broke up the piñata, opened the piñata. Fun. When they scrambled for the candy, Gabe got 5 pieces. Maria got 3 times as many pieces as Gabe. So she didn't get 3 more, she got 3 times as many. Which of the numbers described below shows how many pieces of candy Maria got? So you really got to know vocabulary here. So I'm going to do a little cheat sheet for you. The sum of 5 and 3. Sum means addition. So it's saying it's 5 plus 3. Is that how much candy Maria got? This one, the product of 5 and 3. Product means multiplication. So basically it's Maria got 5 times 3. Do you think it's that? This one, the difference between 5 and 3. Difference is subtraction. So is it 5 take away 3? Or is it the quotient of 5 and 3? Quotient is the answer to a division problem. Okay, let's read it one more time just to make sure. That's what good mathematicians do. At the end of the party, the kids broke open the piñata. When they scrambled for candy, Gabe got 5 pieces. Maria got 5 times as many. Times as many is my keyword. Which one of these best matches that? All right, number 4. Josie has 5 gallons of fruit punch. This table shows how many cups there are in different numbers of gallons. It's a ratio table. I love ratio tables. What is one way to figure out how many cups of punch that is? So it's asking what is the relationship from gallons to cups? Wait, I'm so good with these things. We did them in ratio tables. So how did 1 get to 16? And ratio tables are always multiplication or division. So, Josie has 5 gallons, so that means 5 has to go here. So it's saying, how can you figure out what number goes here? Well, it can only be this because it's multiply 5 by 16 because that's the pattern here. I kind of gave you that answer. All right, let's go to the next page. Draw a line to match each story problem below to the equation that best shows how to solve the problem. Then complete each equation. Okay, you can use the base 10 grid paper on the next page if you like. I didn't give that to you. You can draw it on your own spare sheets or in your notebook at home. So this has 2 steps. 1, you got to read the problem and then draw a line to which one matches it, and then you got to solve it. Okay, let's start this. Josie's mom bought 4 packages of mini candy bars to put in the piñata. There are 28 in each package. How many mini candy bars were there in all? So she bought 4 packages. 4 packages. And there were 28 in each. Ooh. Yum, 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 yum. How many candy bars in all? Which one of these looks like it represents that? There's 4 groups of 28. Or 28 groups of 4. And then you have to solve it. So remember when we learned that multiplication, we can do arrays. So we can do 10, 20, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. That was weird. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 10, 10, and 8, which equals 28. So I'm going to write 28 big so you can see. And it was 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how can you break this up into a rectangle that you know? Well, I'm going to make it a rectangle, right? And where can I break it up? Oh, this looks easy right there because I can just do 10 times 4. Right here looks easy. I can just do 10 times 4. And here it looks like 8 times 4. I'm going to add these all up. And whatever answer I get, I'm going to put here. B, Josie got 28 napkins out of the package, but then realized that she could put 4 of them away. How many did she settle on the tables? So she started off with 28, and then she put 4 away. Which one matches that? And then find the answer too. C, Josie's brother blew up 28 balloons for the party and had enough to put 4 at each table. How many tables were there? So she started off with 28 and she put 4 at each table. Looks like she split them up so that there were 4 at each table. Which one represents that? And then find the answer. Last one. Josie had $28 in her savings account. Josie earned $10 helping with chores. Josie spent $6 right away, but she put the other 4 in her account. How much money does she have in her savings account then? So which one looks like it matches that? Okay. Here, write a story prompt to go with this. So this one, it says 16 times 8. So you got to show me something that's 16 and then 8 groups of it. And this one is 16 divided by 8. Division is split. So sharing. Write a story about sharing, okay? And this one is a challenge. I would love for you to try it. Josie's mom bought 9 pizzas for the party. How will she need to cut them in order to have enough pieces for the party? You got to understand problem 2 to be able to do that, which is on the last page. Okay, if you still have questions, please hop onto my WebEx. I will be on till 11. Otherwise, I'm at a meeting, and so I will not be able to help. All right, good luck. I will see you Thursday or Friday. And remember, those days, whichever day you're with me, it's pajama day. And it'll be pretty nice out, so that'll be great. All right, see you then. Bye.